Hello, this tutorial is provided to you by Lime International. Today we're glad to show you how to use graphical analysis using our trading platform LimeTrader Mobile. After this tutorial you should expect a sufficient understanding of how to use various tools to perform graphical analysis with LimeTrader Mobile trading platform. Without any further ado, let's get started. After installing LimeTrader on your mobile device from App Store or Google Play, you need to log in using credentials which were received after opening an account. This is discussed in greater detail in the basics tutorial for LimeTrader. To begin with, we need to choose a preferred asset in the Assets window by selecting it. It will display its price action in the Charts window as shown. To perform graphical analysis, we require tools to do so, which can be found in this control panel above the current chart. But for the beginning, you may want to adjust time frame and charts visuals to your liking, using corresponding buttons as shown. Main set of tools used in graphical analysis is drawing tools, which is located under the F-shaped symbol at the top here. This function allows you to insert indicators and graphical objects on a current chart. For drawing tools, you need to switch to a corresponding tab at the top as shown. Let's review useful drawing tools which are used more oftenly. Just tap Add New Item. Line tool. Allow you to draw all kinds of lines. The main use is to mainly draw price levels, trend lines and pattern borders. Let's see how it's done. Let's come back to the charts window. As you can see, our line is here. We can adjust it just by dragging it whenever we want it. Just tap it and drag it. To customize this graphical tool, you need to just double tap it. Here you can change thickness, color, and just delete it using trash bin icon at the bottom. Let's continue. Add item again and rectangle drawing tool. Mainly used for highlighting certain price zones like so. For example, here. Can be customized with double click as well, or double tap. Thickness, fill or without fill, colors, and as well you can delete it here too. Let's continue with Fibonacci tools. Provide most popular ruler-like tools based on the golden cross section principle and may be used as shown. Again, just drag and drop it where you like it. Again, double click will open menu for customizing or deleting that. Let's continue with Elliott waves drawing tools. As name suggests, help with Elliott waves, a complex methodology of graphical analysis which looks something like that. As you can see, I'm drawing the main patterns of Elliott wave. Again, double click allows me to delete or customize this item. And last but not least, channel tools. Provide all necessary tools for channel designation and used as shown. Again, preferably you drag it. As you can see, it throws a nice neat channel for us. Okay, to remove graphical objects from a current chart, please select Drawing Tools tab and press Delete icon near necessary object, or delete all to remove all of them. Let's see how it's done. Drawing Tools, as you can see, linear regression channel is present. Just remove it or remove all items here below. This concludes this tutorial for graphical analysis with LimeTrader Mobile. Stay tuned for more useful information and helpful tutorials in the future from Lime.